Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to affiliate on Weex or with Weex. So first of all, we are here on their website, and if you go here to this icon, we can click here on affiliate. And then from here, you will see all the things how you can affiliate. So first of all, we need to apply. So we click now here on apply now, and then he will send us to this white page where they need a lot of information. So they're also telling you, thank you for your inquiry. Please fill in the following necessary information. It is expected that a dedicated person will contact you within 1 or 2 working days after submission. So first of all, we need to create a submission. So fill in all the details right here. And then with this, you create your profile, and then a professional will check your profile if you have the permissions to get the affiliate program, and then in 1-2 working days they will contact you, and if you're possible and can affiliate with them, they will send you a referral code. So this is how you can affiliate with Weex. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.